Hello Year 2 and welcome to an example of how to do fractions of an amount for your homework this week. So we have been looking at fractions, we have looked at fractions of shape, we have looked at fractions of number, and now we have been looking at fractions of objects. So my question says circle 1/4 of the flowers. Now we've had this conversation in class, and it doesn't matter whether the objects are flowers, cars, animals, people. That's just trying to trick you, okay? So we've got to just imagine them as dots. So my question is circle 1/4 of whatever these objects are. But I can't do that without knowing how many there are altogether. So remember, our first step is to know how many there are altogether. And I always check to see if I can count in my 2s, 5s or 10s. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's not my 2s, 5s or 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead of counting all of these flowers individually, I can count in my 5 times table. 5, 10, 15, 20. So there are 20 flowers. And I'm just going to put 20 at the bottom there to remind me, okay? So now I know that I'm doing 1/4 of 20. So all I really need is, don't need that word, don't need any of those. I just need 1/4 and my 20 at the bottom. So remember, when we're doing a quarter of a number, the denominator tells us how many groups we need for the fraction. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 groups, and I am sharing 20 equally into these groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. My numerator, the top number in my fraction, tells me how many groups I need to count for the answer. So the bottom number tells me how many groups I need. The top number, the numerator, tells me how many I count for the answer. So I've got 1/4. So I need to count 1 group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1/4 of 20 is 5. But I haven't quite finished the question because my question was circle 1/4 of the flowers. So I need to circle 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you could do one big circle around 5 of them, whichever you find easier. I hope this has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing your homework next week. Bye.